everyone. Welcome to WorksWith 2024.
I've always seen the value in it. The technical content that is created and delivered in this format is really top-notch.
We have a tight union on industrial and commercial customers. Silicon Labs is obviously one of the most present silicon vendors in this space.
It's great to be here to see people that I've known in the industry for decades and really get the word out about how we are working together on the 917 with the channel and with customers.
We find this to be an incredibly valuable conference because it allows us to network with other partners, with customers, and get the word out and really start to understand and learn more about what customers are wanting and doing with AI and machine learning in their use cases.
And Silicon Labs has such a great reputation for employing the technology that's very easy from a design-in standpoint. We love that because it allows us to create innovative products on a very rapid basis. And it's really important for us to showcase our technology at really such an important event like this.